what's up? Welcome to your 5-minute beginner rebounder workout. This is a full body fitness fun and it's made for you to feel super safe and confident on the rebounder. So this is great for a total beginner, a newbie. I want you to feel safe and confident. So the way I programmed this class is it's 5 different moves. It's going to be 30 seconds where we do the move without bouncing it. So like a step tap versus like a jump side to side. So the first 30 seconds, no jump, and then you have the option of taking it into the jump on the rebounder. So it will be 5 totally different moves. This is no repeat, 30 seconds no bounce, 30 seconds into the bouncing move, take it or leave it. So we are going to hop up on that rebounder or step nice and carefully. We've got the core engaged, the knees are soft, the shoulders are down, and we're gonna get into it. Okay guys, so we're on the rebounder. Let's just go through some really crucial, important tips here. Your whole foot is down, toes and heel, whole foot down. We've got nice soft knees. We're almost like in a mini squat. So my booty's a little back, my knees are soft. What I don't wanna see is something like this, where your knees are locked out and we're overarched in that low back. So think a little bit lower to the ground. Core nice and tight, shoulders relaxed. So we're gonna get moving. So I just want you to take it to a little step tap, get comfortable with how the shift in your body weight feels. And this is why I had talked to you about the form tips before you started moving. I still want to see those things, right? When you step over, your whole foot's planted, your knees are soft, your abs are in, your shoulders are down. So we're going to start with our 30-30, hands on the hips. We're step tapping. We're going to start right here for 30 seconds. So we're just going to make it a little bit bigger and quicker as you feel safer. And like I said, if you aren't ready to jump, you just stay right here with this step tap. Okay, in 10 seconds, we're gonna take this to a jumping jack. So we jump the legs open and closed. Are you ready? Okay, so meet me in the middle. We still are gonna keep the form. We jump out, in, out, in. So I'm gonna show you from the side as I do this, how my butt is back and my knees are soft, rather than like that, and locking my joints out, okay? So that's just gonna keep your knees a little happier with you. Nice work, guys. Something I didn't mention yet, but it's crucial. Make sure that you don't hold your breath. Breathe in and out. Okay, we're gonna slow it down. So right in the center, we're back to our 30 seconds, no bouncing. We're gonna take it to a heel to the front. Right heel, left heel. My supporting knee is soft. We're alternating, so this is a flexed foot position. Maybe even get a nice juicy calf stretch out of it. Okay, so where we're gonna go from this is a front kick. So that's kind of the intermediate level. We're not gonna bounce that. You can bounce it if you wanna go advanced. Are you ready? So now I'm gonna kick the foot off the rebounder. Supporting knee is soft, abs are engaged. This is a lot of core and balance work right here. And coordination, right? If you wanna add a little bounce in the center, you could totally take that. I'm gonna stay right here with the kicks today because that's where I feel safe. Maybe we're getting a hamstring stretch. Who would have thought we'd get so much mobility out of a rebounder workout, but we are. Okay, we're on to our butt kickers. So I'm gonna lean a little forward, I'm gonna kick myself in the butt. Ooh, and now I'm getting a thigh stretch. So, as you can see, all of these aerobic moves that we do on the rebounder actually really allow us a lot of mobility in the body, flexibility. It's like dynamic stretching. So we're gonna pick this up in 5 seconds and you're doing the same move. You're just gonna bounce right and left. So right heel, left heel, right heel, left heel. Showing you from the back. If you're feeling safe, you can move quicker. Totally, that's up to you. Or you can take it one at a time. Side to side. Looking good. Guys, we're down to our last 2 moves already. Okay, so we're gonna bring it to the center. You're gonna tap it right and left, right and left. We're nice and soft in the legs. This is gonna end up being a bunny hop, side to side, okay? But we're starting here, so we won't get ahead of ourselves. How's this audio doing? Good, okay, in 10 seconds, the legs are gonna come together and we're gonna jump the legs side to side. So we'll start small and then we can make it a little bit bigger. So bring those legs together. You're gonna jump right with the legs together and left. Knees are soft, right, left. So you can keep it going a little quicker. You can make it a little bigger. I think that bigger might be a little scarier. So if you're nervous right now, just keep it smaller and think stay low to the ground. We're crouching down, but with good posture, of course, not like this. Okay, you got it. So we're side to side for 3, 2, 1. Okay, so big move, lots of coordination. We got this. Right heel, heel to the front, toe to the back, step together. Left heel, heel to the front, toe to the back, step together, repeat. Heel, toe, together. Heel, toe, together. One more each side. You can keep this going, or we're gonna jump forward and back. So feet are hip distance, jump front, jump back, front, back. I'm going down, so I'm staying low as if the ceiling is really close to my head and I don't want to hit it. So maybe we pick the pace up a little bit and we just kind of smooth it out. If it's choppy and it looks like this, that is also okay. I want you to pick where you feel nice and confident. So let's finish with 5 more, wherever we're at. We're here for 5. Breathe in and out for 4. Smiling for 3. And 2. And 1. Oh, you start to feel your thighs when you stay low, huh? You guys, you just did it. So, high five, round of applause. I'm super proud of you. So I want you to remember to hydrate, stretch. You can repeat this routine, getting more confident with it and building up your stamina. And as you saw today, there are plenty of moves that we can do aerobically that also offer mobility and flexibility and some dynamic stretching. So I hope you also enjoyed how that felt in your body. Have a fabulous day. My name is Lindsay Bushman. This is Pilates On Demand. Hit that subscribe button below and let me know what's up in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.